While plastic packaging provides numerous benefits, the ability to collect and recycle plastic waste has failed to keep up with the increased use of plastic production. Keystone Folding Box is proud to offer eco-friendly medication packaging designs that use 50 to 75% less plastic than the traditional packaging of both prescription and over-the-counter medications. For decades, plastic bottles have been the most common packaging used for medication. While many consumers try to dispose of medication bottles through curbside recycling programs, their size makes them problematic for many recycling systems. Municipal recycling centers sort their recyclables with a screening device that separates plastic items too small to recycle. Natural debris, such as rocks, broken glass, and other items that fall through the screening device, are sent to the landfill. This means that your plastic prescription bottles, even the ones intended for recycling, are likely to end up in a landfill. Add in even more over-the-counter medication bottles, and you've got a lot of plastic polluting our planet. Today, environmental responsibility is a leading strategic initiative at many pharmaceutical manufacturing companies, as well as retailers. Reducing the amount of plastic used in packaging has become a core sustainability strategy within CVS, Walgreens, Target, and Walmart. Suppliers are being challenged to reduce plastic waste by redesigning packaging to minimize or eliminate plastic use. Compared to plastic bottles, blister packaging can be designed to drastically reduce the amount of plastic needed to protect a drug, especially when integrated with one of the patented solutions from Keystone. KeyPack is a paperboard wallet card that allows for the smallest amount of plastic possible. Each dose of medication has its own two-step CR feature. Simply press the tab and pull the strip for easy access. Compared to other CR blisters and bottles, KeyPack is both compostable and biodegradable, and reduces the amount of plastic needed by up to 75%. EcoSlider X and EcoSlide OTC are both designed to allow medication in a blister card to slide inside and remain securely inside, protecting children from accidental poisoning. Adults simply press and hold the safety button on the carton to gain access. The EcoSlider X carton is fully biodegradable, compostable, and recyclable. Smaller doses of OTC medication that switch from bottles or traditional peel-push blisters can reduce the use of plastic by up to 75%. EcoSlider X boasts the most eco-friendly design of any reclosable blister package on the market and reduces plastic by weight as much as 75%. If you are looking for eco-friendly packaging for either OTC or prescription medication, request a sample or learn more from the Keystone website at www.keyboxco.com.